Today, we're going to add a 3D cube transition to your video. This transition gives a super cool 3D effect where your clips rotate like a cube, offering a fresh, dynamic way to move between scenes. Let's jump in. Start by adding at least 2 clips to your timeline. Now, tap the white square icon between the clips to open the transition menu. Once inside, scroll down to the 3D space section. Here you'll find various cube motions, each with different cube rotations, some with multiple cubes, and others with unique directional movements. Browse through the available options and pick the one that fits your video's vibe. Next, adjust the duration slider. This slider controls how fast or slow the cube rotates during the transition. A shorter duration gives you a faster, punchier effect, while a longer duration results in a more drawn out cinematic look. Once you're happy with your settings, hit the check mark to apply the transition, and you're all set. You've successfully added a 3D cube transition to your video, giving it that smooth, modern effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.